Time hums at the edge of a circle. A ring of heat, a breath preparing to unmake itself. I witness the last rain of stars fall into silence. Pralaya is spoken in a hush beyond language. From the ashes, the unborn cosmos listen for the first sound. Dawn after destruction is a temple bell waking a sleeping world. The rhythm of creation circles back to itself. If time is a mandala, this is the edge where it redraws. The fountain of being rests in a patient void. I hear the chant of nothing becoming everything. The ancient cycle repeats with the insistence of breath. What follows the end is not oblivion, but a vow to begin again. The ruin itself carries a seed, a map of possible futures. Destruction loosens forms, it does not erase the kernel of light. In the temple of sleep, the cosmos rehearses its waking. I feel the weight soften, the boundary between now and then dissolving. A soft conch sighs, a distant gong of return. The first spark stirs the dark, and the night grows listening. Dawn answers with a breath more ancient than we imagine. The dark is not conquered, it is whispered into surrender. Time folds and we are invited to witness, not to own. If the world ends, a temple awakens inside us all. We are called to attend the birth, not to govern it. The senses become a prayer, the mind becomes a witness. There is a clarity that arrives like rain after dust. Then light spills along the horizon, patient and still. Creation re-emerges as dawn after destruction. Not a victory parade, but a return to wonder. If time is a loom, the weave resumes with humility. We listen for the thread that binds us to the entire field of birth. The inner witness remains awake through every cycle. This is not a conclusion, but an invitation to observe. If you listen, you may glimpse your own next breath appearing. The world will keep turning, and you can learn to turn with it. Let this dawn be a mirror for your own awakening. The Life Saga app waits for your next step, if you choose. We carry the silence back into ordinary hours. We carry the question of who we are in ordinary breath. Dawn after destruction becomes a quiet vow to begin again. And in that vow, we discover ourselves. If this is a dawn after destruction, it invites you to turn inward. If you seek, the path unfolds within you as you walk. The Life Saga app remains a gentle guide along the way.